Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Rhombus.
What does the dictionary say?
A quadrilateral, plane figure, closed shape, 4 sides, with 4 equal length sides and opposite sides parallel to each other.
Math rap.
Rhombus is fun to say 5 times and is a flat shape. A rhombus has 4 straight sides at equal length with opposite sides parallel, opposite angles equal. To call it a parallelogram is legal.
Math rap.
Math Mind Mania fact for you. All rhombuses are parallelograms, but not all parallelograms are rhombuses. All squares are rhombuses, but not all rhombuses are squares. Why was the circle late for school? It took the rhombus. Explain rhombus in your own word. Explain rhombus in your own words. Draw 5 rhombi, or rhombuses, and shade them in. Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your Math Minutes rock!